Welcome. If you're having trouble downloading pins from Pinterest, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, but don't worry, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Let's walk through them together. First, close the app and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up minor glitches that prevent downloads from working properly. After reopening, try to download a pin again. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon. Ensure that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data is working effectively. A weak connection can hinder the downloading process. If your internet is stable but you're still facing issues, consider asking the sender to resend the pin. There might be a problem with the specific pin you're trying to download. Another effective step is to clear the app cache. To do this, navigate to your device settings and find the Pinterest settings. Click on Clear Data. Then select Clear Cache. Confirm this action, as it can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing problems. After clearing the cache, it's a good idea to restart your device. This ensures that all changes take effect properly. Once your device is back on, open the Pinterest app again and check if you can download pins now. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider reinstalling the app as a last resort. Uninstall Pinterest from your device, and then download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. This fresh installation can often fix persistent problems. By following these steps, closing and reopening the app, checking your internet connection, asking for a resend of the pin, clearing the app cache, restarting your device, and reinstalling if necessary, you should be able to fix the issue of Pinterest not downloading pins. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back to pinning in no time.